Hi there, it's Supersonic back again with another YouTube video. So today we are going to talk about animation. Animation is something which is very difficult in movie making, especially 3D animation. So 3D animation and 2D animation, there are two kinds of animations. 2D animations you will draw in your software and then you can do frame by frame animation, but 3D animation is very difficult. And today, which animation we are going to talk about is 3D animation. So in 3D animation today, I am going to tell you one of the most toughest animation which can be made easily. So I'm talking about Minecraft animation. So what is Minecraft animation? Minecraft, everybody knows Minecraft. Minecraft is a very popular computer game. You have blocks and you can make worlds in that and everything. So Minecraft animation, you can use those people in Minecraft, those like a villager, creeper, or a zombie, or a skeleton, something like that. So you can use them and you can make an animation video. So you can use them using Blender and other free softwares, but this process is very time taking. So today I'm going to tell you a very efficient and less time taking, a lot less time taking app or software you can use to make Minecraft animation. So I'm talking about Mine-imator. Yes, Mine-imator. Mine-imator. So this app can be used to make Minecraft animation, only Minecraft animation, and it's a very user friendly, it's very good for beginners, and I am also a beginner. So let's get into it. I'll take you into my laptop. So let's go. Mine-imator official website, so we can see everything is related to Minecraft. You can make animations in it, and you can particles also, and you can just share your finished videos also. And now downloading, you click on this download, it will download an installer here, and then you can install it. And these are some showcases for your reference. So I have it on my PC. So let's start. The startup screen of Mine-imator. So you can see Mine-imator, and these are all my projects. I just name it something and something. So you have to click on create new project. The screen goes and the screen comes. So now you have to name your project and name it tutorial, and author of course I only. Okay, so no, you can write a description also, but no need. Create a new project, and a project is created. So this is the work camera. Let us make it some short, or let's cut it, no need of this. So this is the Mine-imator screen. This is the timeline, the project library, project properties, and this is the most important thing, a workbench. So these are all the settings, and before starting I advise everyone to just see all the settings. You can just check all the settings and all the controls and hotkeys for this, so because this is very important. If you don't know, then the animation can be a little tough. So all the settings you have to check, and after checking the settings, we are good to go. This is a very nice it's a very nice feature of the Mine-imator that it has the render preview button. It's now you can render it in this itself, and you can see the finished product how to look. So for starting, you have to click on this workbench, and tada! So this and here you can create a player. You can import some world, weapons, and single block. You can create a block, any body part like boom, and some only your hand is left or your leg is left, something like that. These are the particles, light, and this is a shaded spot for yeah, camera lighting. Piece of text you can create, and here some 3D shapes: a cube, a sphere, a cone, a cylinder, and it's a plane, flat surface. And it's a camera, it's a background setting, audio track. You have to create an audio track, and this is to create a model. So for starting, we'll import character, and you can see it's called Steve, and you can make it Alex also. It's the female version. I don't know why they named it Alex. Alex is a name for boys. Okay, so here we have zombie, we have skeleton, we have creeper, we have spider, we have an enderman, and everything's a chicken, a cow, we have a cow, we have a polar bear, parrot, wolf, cat, squid, and horse, and everything. So you can search here, like I want to search for a pig, and here it is, it's pig. I want to search for Steve. Oh, sorry, I have to name it a human. I want to search for human. It's human. So you can search here. For now, I will just take human, and you can in browsers. You can download from Minecraft. Use a browse. Minecraft skin is okay, and create. So this is Steve, or a human character, you can say. So this is its Minecraft land. Here we don't have anything at present. If you are thinking how I'm orbiting, so I'm just double clicking. I'm on the laptop, so I'm just double clicking it and rotating my hand on the mouse, and it's getting rotated. See my hand. And if you are on a computer, you can just rotate the mouse wheel to go up and down. You can zoom and zoom in, zoom out, and everything. So this is Steve, and we have the control of its every body part, every part of its body. We have right leg, left leg, and the body, head. In the head we have a control of hat also. So we have the control of right arm, left arm. It's the right arm, it's the left arm, it's the hat, it's the head, it's the right leg, it's the left leg, and it's the whole Steve. The whole Steve control. Here you can move it up, down, and everywhere. Oh, don't go out. Okay, so this is all the controls for Steve. So in this, what we are going to do, you can see here also all are there. Here keyframes. Keyframes are very important. Everything here is about keyframes only. You can move it with the help of keyframes only. So you can if you want it to be in the default position, you can type 0, or just you can right click here, it will be in its default position. The C is also in the default position. Now it's in the default position. So now what we can do, we have to move it. How we can move it? Just select the Steve's body and go move the timeline to any frame. like frame 20 or 30. Let's take frame 30 and then just click here to insert a keyframe. And now I am selecting its left arm, I think, yes, it's left arm, and I am just moving it up and just bending it a little and saying hi, how are you. Now let's see the movement, if it is there, because I am also a beginner, I didn't learn it. I think I made a keyframe wrong also. I can be wrong, it's not like I am perfect in it. If the movement will occur, we'll see, otherwise something else we'll do. Let's see if no, there's no movement. And see, I think we did something wrong in this, so let's figure it out what we did wrong. 0, everything 0, 0, 0, everything 0. Now I'm going to delete these keyframes. Now keyframe you get deleted. Nothing is left here. Oh, I think I deleted the whole sleeve. Now I have to again. You know, in animation sometimes it happens with everyone. Now right arm, there's one keyframe here, another keyframe at frame 10, so it's going to be very fast. Now I'm going to double click it and hey, hello, how are you. Let's see if it works now. And yes, it's working, it's working, it's working, yay, yay, it's working. I just click on this loop button so that it's just it plays it back again. Now you can see this movement occurring here, back to back, back to back, back to back, stop. So this movement occurs here. Now you have, if you want to animate, you have to double click here and then you have to make some movement. So now I will go to frame 20 and insert a keyframe here, and then everything 0, 0, 0, 0, everything 0, and then I will just do something like, now I will make a keyframe for him in his body, first keyframe here, it's here, first keyframe, and now the second keyframe, I have the second keyframe. So keyframe inserted, and now I will make it bent. So you can see we have the control of all the parts of its body, and it's bent. Oh, is it or not? And see. And now I will make its left arm a keyframe, and I will go here and here only, so I think it's a better position. So now I am going to make its hand go back a little, and then that side go a little bit bended, and that side. So it is a block, so we can see the full movement, but if it will work, then it's nice. Let's see, loop playback, and bending, bowing. So you can change the speed of this using this place. So this is the tempo, also called FPS, frames per second. So you can, if you want to make it slow, and then if you want to make it slow, then you can see play it so much slow, very slow. I don't want it to be so much slow, so 24 is the best frame rate setting is 24. Some like in some movies or some animation movies, the fast action style of thing, then we don't want that, or if we want that, then you can just increase the frame per second frame rate setting. Otherwise you can 24 is the best one. So this is the library. So what is in the library? Library consists of all the characters which have been used. So if you remember, we have by mistakenly I have deleted the Steve, but that Steve is still here. Use count 0 because we did not use it. But this Steve which I downloaded again, this is use count 1 because I used it again. So if you want anything in this project, it has been used, it will be in the library. If you have deleted it from here also, you can just retain it from here using this button, and you can copy it for this, and you can copy it from this, and you can retain it into the timeline and this into the project. If you don't want this to be here, just delete it. I delete it. So only this is left, nothing else. And now this is the most biggest properties panel I have ever seen in this. So this show sky, don't show sky. This Minecraft sky will not be shown. Sun texture, where is the sun? Where are you, sun? Sun, where are you? Where are you, sun? So sun is there. You can see the sun. Clouds, why are you not moving? So this is the clouds section. Sunlight strength, let me increase it to 100. This is the sunlight strength. And this is the time. This is the most coolest feature I have ever seen in this. You can just modify the time. It's day and now it's night. Now again it's sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. And the clouds also move according to that. And the rotation, you can just move the sun anywhere if you want the shadow to be somewhere else. So this will affect in your rendering. It's not a bad effect, it will be a good effect. So when you render it here now, if you render it, you can see the shadow back. So just the render, you can see the shadow back, and when you move it, wait, let me render it. And when you move it here or somewhere here and render it, shadow is here. So this matter a lot in this Mine-imator. And now next, let's go to the ground feature, the texture, the everybody knows. In the ground texture, you can change the ground. So these are all the types of grounds. You want a water, here's water. You want a metal type of thing, is a metal. I think it's a desert type of thing. It's a road, yellow brick road. It's a red road, I don't know what. It's a snowy road. No, and this is the hill. I think it's some hill. On the hill, ice is there, or cake icing, I don't know. And this is the normal ground. Is the rock ground. This is the these are the weeds. This is the ground, and any ground we can select here, and we can just, so this is the pumpkin ground in the and this is the lollipop ground. So these are the ground settings. So chill, I think some new are also here. And these are the movable grounds, so you can see the fire. What will say, this is also fire only. This is a flame, and these are some less flames, and this is a cook pot, and this is a lava, everything, and this is the grass, seaweeds. So these are also there in Mine-imator. But if you think that in the in the website we saw that there's a whole castle and the ground is also there, then that is not this. This is completely different from that, and that ground you get after you import a world. How importing a world? Go to workbench and you can import a world or a schematic file from here. So then you can import that, and the texture animation and everything, you can show the fog or thing. Let's make this, oh, I don't think it's a normal one, but okay, you can enable wind and disable scene colors, clouds. You can color cloud color and sky color, sunlight color, ambient night color. You can do some color correction if you want. Moon, and this is also a nice work in this full moon, walling, and all the new moon is also there, waxing, everything is there. So let's find the sun. Where is the sun? Now I want the moon. Where are you, moon? So it's the night time. Where is the moon? I can't see the moon. So that there is the moon. That is the moon. And now let's make. You can change the texture also if you want. Moon phase. Full moon. Now it's half. No, it's not half. It's last quarter. Waning. It's a new moon. No moon only. Back. Now it's coming. First quarter, and it's waxing, it's coming more, and it's a full moon night. Now let's bring back the day. Whoosh. Now Steve likes the day very much. Okay, so now these are the background settings which are very important. Now resources, this we'll not talk about in this video. It's something different. I'll make future videos on this. So this is the camera window panel. The camera is very important in the 3D animation. Let's render it. Now you can see everything in this camera. We will move Steve, it will see it moving, but if I move it, then it will make a keyframe of moving also, so I will not move it. There's my whole animation will be waste. So this is the camera. What the camera sees, if it will be running, the camera will see that it is running. We will not see what is this, we will see what is this. So what's in the camera, that will be visible in your video. So now you can save it you can create a new project. You can import assets, keyframes and everything. Open existing project, save it as with a copy. Export a current frame to an image file. Now what is this? You are on frame 1, like I am on, let's take frame 20. I want an image of this, or you take the screenshot or just export the image. So what this button does, you click it, this frame which is currently in your project's window, this takes an image of that and then it exports that. And if you want it to export it as a video, export the animation to a movie file. You can export it like a video and edit it, add voiceover. You can add voiceover here also, lip syncing and everything. I'll make future tutorials on that also. So this is for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and Please like and subscribe to our channel Supersonic. Till then, bye bye.